Now the last thing we need to do is we need to hook this up for create, and we want that to come up from the bottom. And then we need to hook the likes up and go back, and then we're done. Okay, so again, let's go to main. We're gonna make 2 more activities. New activity, blank activity. We're going to call this the create, because that's the create blog, create activity. Okay, and then we're going to make another one called likes activity. Okay, so let's go to the layout here. Let's change the relative layout to absolute layout, right? Get rid of all the padding here. Let's go to the likes one, do the same thing. Absolute layout. Get rid of the padding. Okay, now let's do the design. So let's go to design tab here, get rid of this hello world. What are we gonna do? We're gonna put an image view, drag it in there, the absolute layout. Source is going to be our, what is it, create? Oh, I called it new blog here. Okay, create, but it's this one. All right, excellent, looks good. Let's go to the likes page. And oops, did I put this on the likes one instead? Oh, I did. This should be the create. Okay, so not a big deal. Let's go back to the likes. So I put the wrong image. This one actually should be the likes. So let me go back, change the source image to likes. Okay, good. Let's go to create here. Let's get this one to the right image view. Image view, I'm gonna draw it on there, drag it on there, and source. Okay, so that's that one should be the new blog. Got it. Okay, great. So now from the home activity is where we can access, I'm gonna go to the design here. Home activity, there's that, the create new blog. So add a button. Okay, so button, just like we've been doing all day. Get rid of that. Maybe resize it just a little bit so it fits nice over there. Is that close enough? Are we okay? There we go. Make it a little taller. Okay. Sometimes it resizes. Okay, there we go. Okay, alpha 0. And we're going to go to on click. We're going to call this on create, right? Because we're creating a new blog post. Tab to lock it in. Let's go to the text on create. Let's go to the Java for this one. Let's go in the middle here. Let's do public void on create view v. You've seen that a few times now. Curly braces. We're going to have intent I equals new intent, and this intent's going from the home activity dot this, and it's going to the create activity dot class. Add our semicolon at the end there. Start activity, and it's I. Okay. In this one, I want to come in from the bottom and up to the top. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to do override transition, and we're going to do, remember, r dot anim dot, and there was this ABC slide in from the bottom. Okay, that's where the new one's coming from. And the old one can r dot anim dot ABC slide out top. Cool, so that should do that. Now, I want to be able to get back. So once I get to the create screen, I got to make a little button here. So take a button, boom, put it right there. Let's clear that. Okay, let's make the alpha 0. Let's say this is, say, on back. Tab to lock that in. Text, boom, it's there. Java. Now this one, I know we've written public void a million times, and we're going to do it again here. Void on back, but we are going to get a little break here because we can just say finish, and that will just go back to whatever activity we were at. But if we want to do the opposite animation, we're going to go override pinning transition, and then we're going to go r.anim dot. Okay, so the new one now is going to slide in top, and the old one, the create, is going to r.anim.abc, and that's going to slide out bottom. Okay, and this view is red. We don't like that. Option, return. Let's go ahead and run that. Okay, so I click this. Woohoo! All right, I'm happy with that. Okay, so now let's, from the, where is it? The account activity. Let's check out the design of the account activity, get some more space here. Remember, we wanted to hook up the likes part. So add a button over here. Get rid of that. Alpha. Where's alpha? There you are, alpha. 0, make it clear. On click. Okay, we'll call this on likes. All right, tab to lock that in. Text, good, there it is. And let's say public void on likes view v curly braces, and we're going to say intent I equals new intent. Where are we coming from? Well, we're coming from the account activity, dot this, and we're going to the likes activity dot class. Okay, we're going to put the semicolon there. And for this one, I think we'll just use the stock animation. But we got to start the activity. Excellent. Okay, and then if we go to the likes here, we just need a button so we can go back. So we'll drag that on here. We'll say alpha is 0. We'll say on back. Now notice we've used on back before. Okay, so this one is likes activity. And this is going to be public void on back view v curly braces. Then we're going to, these ones are nice, right? When we're just going back, we're just kind of dismissing the view to go back to wherever it was. Remember, this view doesn't really know, it won't always go to a specific one. So if another view went to this and you did the same one, it'll go back to that view, which can be nice. Finish. And we'll just leave the stock animation. Let's click, oh, that's a colon, not a semicolon. here. And okay, and everything works. All right, so let's add this one more time. Warnings, something to think about. Okay, home. All right, there's that. Excellent. Let's go here and likes and back. Excellent.